Hello, my name is Lara Piacenti and I'm a lawyer at Mosaico Tax and Law. This video is about the Brazilian CPF and when you need it. So today I will be going through my article on Mosaico Tax and Law's blog, which will explain these questions. The main question is, what is the Brazilian CPF and why is it important to discuss this now? So the Brazilian CPF will be the main ID document in Brazil as of January next year. So as of the 1st of January 2024, the CPF will be the main source of ID in Brazil. At the moment, the CPF is used only for tax purposes in Brazil. But with this new law, it will also be used as the main ID as well. So the Brazilian federal revenue is responsible for the emission of the individual taxpayer registration, which is also known as the CPF. So whether you're someone who has been to Brazil for business or pleasure, you may have noticed that every sort of shopping you try to do, they will usually ask you for your CPF. They will ask if you want your CPF on your receipt. For this reason, many people who come to Brazil think they need to have a CPF just to do shopping. Well, that isn't the case, okay? You can also cancel your CPF if you have registered for a CPF for that specific reason, okay? So I would like to tell you when you actually need a CPF in Brazil. So if you plan to file for any of the following documents, then you need to have a CPF as a Brazilian in general, a Brazilian in Brazil or a Brazilian living abroad, and also as a foreigner. So if you file for the following documents, a birth certificate, wedding certificate, death certificate, a worker's identification number, a national health card from the Brazilian public health system, social security card or a driver's license, then you definitely need to have a CPF. So if you're in Brazil temporarily for work purposes, then you probably definitely will have to register for a CPF. Is it necessary to have the CPF for any other reason? So the answer is yes. If you plan to do business or invest in Brazil, then you need to have a CPF. So anyone, Brazilian or foreigner, not residing in Brazil or residing in Brazil who owns assets and rights subject to public registration in Brazil are obliged to register for a CPF. So, for example, if you plan to buy a property, a vehicle, open a bank account, any other type of investment, then you need to have a CPF. Okay, so if you live abroad, you can apply for the CPF online using the Brazilian Federal Revenue's website, okay, Receita Federal website. It's an online process and you don't have to go to a Brazilian consulate in the country in which you are based, okay? So if you have any difficulty with the CPF application process, or whether you already have a CPF but you want to check your registration status, then you can contact Mosaico Tax and Law through our website and you can make an appointment with us specialist to find out more. The article on the blog also includes the useful links which you can use to try and apply. You must remember, however, that if you do not speak Portuguese, then the application process will be difficult as the website is in Portuguese. That's why it would be fundamental for you to schedule an appointment with one of our specialists so you can have help with this application process. Okay, thank you.